Welcome to our Salesforce tutorial series. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for any aspiring Salesforce developer or administrator, the Salesforce Developer Org. Whether you're experimenting with new features, practicing your skills, or developing new applications, understanding the Developer Org is your first step towards mastering Salesforce. Let's get started. First off, what is a Developer Org? A Developer Org, or Developer Edition, is a free Salesforce environment that offers full access to the platform's capabilities. It's designed specifically for developers and administrators to learn, create, and test applications within Salesforce without affecting live operations or requiring a paid Salesforce environment. Why is it useful? For starters, it's completely free. This makes it an excellent playground for anyone looking to explore Salesforce's vast ecosystem. Additionally, it's isolated from production environments, meaning you can experiment and learn without the risk of disrupting business operations. Whether you're a seasoned developer looking to test new features or a beginner aiming to build your first app, the Developer Org provides the perfect setting. Imagine you're tasked with creating a custom CRM application for a small business. The challenge? You need a safe environment to develop and test your application before rolling it out. Enter the Developer Org. With it, you can leverage Salesforce's powerful features to build your app, test it under various scenarios, and ensure it's ready for the real world, all without incurring any costs or risks. Our developer successfully builds the application, tests it extensively, and makes necessary adjustments based on feedback, all within their Developer Org. Once satisfied, the application is then deployed to the company's main Salesforce environment, showcasing the Developer Org's role in fostering innovation and ensuring reliability. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of signing up for your Salesforce Developer Org. Follow these steps, and you'll have your own free Salesforce environment in no time. Step 1. Navigate to the Salesforce developer site. Start by opening your favorite web browser, type in developer.salesforce.com, sign up in the address bar, and hit enter. This takes you directly to the Salesforce developer's homepage. Step 2. Fill out the registration form. You'll be presented with a registration form. Here you need to provide some basic information, including your first and last name, your email address. Make sure it's one you have access to, as you'll need to verify it. Your role. You can select developer. And your country, and your state. A username. This must be in the form of an email address but doesn't need to be a valid one. Fill in all the required fields. Step 3. Agree to the terms and conditions. Scroll down to find the terms and conditions. It's important to read through these to understand what you're signing up for. Once done, check the box to agree. Step 4. Submit. After that, click the Sign Me Up button to submit your registration. Step 5. Verify your email address. Check the inbox of the email address you provided. You should receive a verification email from Salesforce within a few minutes. Open it and click on the verification link. Step 6. Set your password. After clicking the verification link, you'll be prompted to set a password for your new Developer Org account. Choose a strong password, confirm it, and then click Change Password. Step 7. Log into your Developer Org. Now return to the Salesforce login page. Enter your username and the new password you just set. Click Log In to access your Developer Org. Step 8. Start exploring. Congratulations! You're now logged into your Salesforce Developer Org. Take some time to explore the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the interface, and start experimenting with Salesforce's powerful features. And there you have it, your very own Salesforce Developer Org, ready for you to learn, create, and innovate. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you maximize your Salesforce journey. Happy developing!